So I've come across some really profitable YouTube cash cow channel niches that are worth trying. So the first niche I want to go over is space exploration. Here's a channel called Voyager and they have 180,000 subscribers. Last 30 days, they've made 1.3 million views, which equates about to 25K because I do have a space channel myself. And based on their view count, they are making around $25,000 and they only post like once every 5 days, as you can see here. Now with the space channel niche, I kid you not, I have seen more space channels work than not work. And what it really comes down to is a lot of these space channels are really capitalizing on these really cool looking thumbnails. A lot of them are. I must admit that even though channels that aren't working, their thumbnails are extremely good. But really, what is separating some space channels from working than other space channels from not working? In my opinion, what it comes down to is being the first to capitalize on a certain keyword. So if you're running a space channel, be very mindful of what keywords you're using, stay on top of the trends, try to be the first one that covers a topic, and I think that's what'll put you over the edge. Either that or pioneer new space topic ideas. I can't tell you how many times this channel has been copied and other individuals have just recreated the topics. Me in particular, I have a video that talks about Voyager spacecraft terrifying new discovery. Think of new ideas, think of different video topics that the space audience would actually be interested in. And I think that's what this channel in particular does extremely well. They're good at coming up with their own topics, but with all due respect, if maybe they're copying other channels as well and getting inspiration from them. But either way, pioneer new ideas, and that doesn't just involve if you're in the space niche. Once in a while, let's say out of 10 videos, use 7 of those videos to gain inspiration from other channels based on other videos that have worked for them. But the other 3 video topics, you should be coming up with your own original ideas that you simply just think of because you know your audience. So the second niche I want to talk about is finance, and it's not just general finance. I'm not talking just about how to make money online, how to make money with stocks, how to make money with crypto. That's what everyone's doing, but be particular and think about what's currently trending and what are people, finance individuals, actually interested in. Because if you think you're in a finance channel and you're gonna blow up your channel by creating how to make money with Bitcoin, you are going for a long shot. So here's a channel called Kaz Gains Academy, and what they do extremely well is that they're going over topics which are trending now within the finance world. And you can see based on their topics, it's not just general finance. They're including power words, power phrases, and power figures within their thumbnails, within their titles, and you can just see that people can resonate with these images. I mean, you have Michael Burry here, you have China here, you have Michael Burry, you have Russia, Putin. All these things help when it comes to launching a successful finance channel, because the mistake that people in finance go is that they think they're just doing general finance, teaching people how to make money online. But you can go in a sub niche with that, think about what's actually happening within the market, and capitalize on the fact that we are either going into a recession or we're in a recession, whichever you think, and really dial down on what it's like to be within your audience's shoes. So with Kaz Gains Academy, I think they're averaging about 4 to 5 million views per month. This channel only posts about once or twice a month, but it's very, very easy to maintain. But you can see all the power figures that are appearing within this channel's videos. But these videos are very well thought out. They're long form content, and within the finance niche, you are expecting a CPM that is more than average. So the third niche I want to go over that is absolutely crushing right now is news. So here's a channel called Armageddon TV, and the last 30 days they've gotten 19 million views, but I'm pretty sure they're on track to crack 20. They're posting about twice every day, but what they're covering in particular is Russia news. So you know that Russia has invaded Ukraine. They're trying to become the centralized coverage when it comes to informing people with what's happening between the Russia-Ukraine war. So with this type of channel, I have no doubt they're making well over $50,000 per month, and you can see that all of their videos are performing extremely well. Their thumbnails look like news coverage thumbnails, and this is something that people are interested in. They want to know what's happening within the Russia-Ukraine war, and so that's what this channel capitalizes on extremely well. There's other channels like that I've seen like this, and some of them are getting close to almost 50 million views per month. If you watched one of my other videos, videos, I talk about how YouTube cash cow channels, they should be thought of as a cash grab and not a all and meaning that you shouldn't just stop at YouTube cash cow channels. Utilize this niche example to kind of start a news channel and try to capitalize on news while it's still happening now. So the fourth channel I want to go over is a media screen recording channel. So this is a channel called Central Media, and while you see that they're only getting 1 million views per month and only posting, let's say, once every week, what this channel does extremely well is affiliate marketing. So their approach is that although they're filming themselves, you can still go the approach of a faceless channel. And if you're a digital marketer or online entrepreneur who's very familiar with a bunch of different softwares and programs, this might be the channel for you, because they basically create tutorials on how to start a website on Squarespace, Wix, how to do affiliate marketing, how to access GoDaddy, do Shopify. All these different digital platforms is what they're creating tutorials on. And tied to that, in addition to the ad revenue, which I'm pretty sure is over $20,000, they are heavily into affiliate marketing. So they'll have affiliate marketing links for Squarespace when you sign up, Shopify when you sign up, with Wix when you sign up. And that affiliate marketing revenue can sometimes be monthly recurring. So some affiliate marketing programs will actually pay you commission per month as long as the person that you referred stays with them. So think about the possibilities in which you're not only limited to just YouTube AdSense revenue, but if you start a channel like this, you can slap affiliate marketing with it. Now, the last YouTube channel niche I want to go over is a documentaries type style channel with a personal brand tied to it. So here's a channel named Jake Tran, in which he has been absolutely crushing it ever since about early 2021, 2020. And he's getting 5.7 million views per month, and he's posting every 3 days. But with this channel in particular, he's basically telling these story type documentaries in the form of like an educational business type format. But with these videos, he has a lot of sponsors reaching out to him. And in addition, those sponsorships are paying a lot of money for people to watch these videos. So with Jake Tran in particular, notice how I called this niche. It's like a business entrepreneurial type style documentary, but his name, the actual individual who runs this channel, is Jake Tran. So I've started to believe, like, instead of naming your channels generic names, like if your channel is like in finance, you don't want to just name it Finance Girl or just Finance Frenzy. You don't want to name your channel like something generic like that. But what if you gave your channel like a personnel behind it? So here's a channel named Jake Tran, but he makes faceless videos. Another example I came across is a channel named Paul Stryker, but he makes faceless videos on MMA content. Here's a channel called Tresse, and what they cover, and he's getting 3.7 million views. Paul Stryker's getting 1.1 million views. So these channels are crushing it. But you can see the different twists with these channels in which there's like a personal brand behind it. With Tresse, it's about faceless videos covering basketball coverage, but you can see the individual there. Another example is the Flight Mike, who's been around for a very long time now, but I'm pretty sure the individual who runs this channel, his name is Mike. So I'm not saying that that's going to make or break your channel, but it does add a sense of creativity aspect to it when people land on this channel and they watch these videos and they see that the channel's name is Flight Mike, and then they click on the channel name, it gives a sort of human to human relation that you can see that this channel is run by an individual. This channel is run by an individual. And like I said, it's not going to make or break your niche, but I really think gone are the people should start being more creative. Me guilty especially. I have channels just called like Sports Shock or Sports Soar or Sport Frenzy. Maybe I should name my channel based like an actual individual, and also try to tie that personnel behind the channel as well, because in these videos, for example, that you see here, you'll never see the mention of Treze at all. But I feel like there's something that, knowing that this channel is based on an individual and that individual is creating these videos, it may give it a slight advantage. So the fifth niche, it's documentary type channels with a personal brand twist tied to it. I think that's what, if you're starting a new channel, give it a shot. Let me know how it goes. But I am finding a common pattern in which some of these channels, they are naming themselves their name, but they're still a faceless channel. Once you've chosen a niche, you're probably want to go learn how to find video topics for your YouTube cash cow channel. Make sure to watch this video next on how I do that.